Hi, welcome to my channel and the new video. So Valentine Day is approaching, which means we're making an inspired piece today, and it will be this heart-shaped hairpin from crystals. It is actually one of the easiest and quickest projects that you can do. And whether you celebrate the holiday or not, it is still a very nice project to make. So I hope you like the tutorial, and let's start. You can make this heart from pretty much any type of beads, but I personally love some sparkles, so usually choose crystals for my project. To make this hairpiece, you'll need a blank hairpin, some wire, crystals or beads, something to cut the wire, and of course a nice cup of coffee. Okay, let's take a sip and start. First, cut 2 pieces of wire, each about 25 cm or 10 inches. Then sort and prepare your crystals. I used 12 crystals for each side, plus 1 for the top and 1 for the bottom. Now take your first piece of wire and pull a crystal through it, leaving it in the middle. Take another wire and pull it through the same crystal, so you have 2 wires in one crystal. And you will end up with something like this. Now add even number of crystals to each side. I'll speed up the process because I was really slow. Your result should look something like this. And now combine both sides together and pull the last crystal through both ends. This will be the bottom of our heart. Okay, this part is a bit tricky. You'll need to bend the top of the piece toward the bottom so you get a shape of a heart. And most of the work is done. Now it's time to attach the heart to the hairpin itself. You just twist the ends of the wire around the hairpin until it feels fixed. And then just cut the loose ends, bend them towards the base, and that's pretty much it. The only thing left to do is to make some little adjustments to the heart so it looks nice and even, and our hairpiece is finished. That's about it. Here we have our hairpin. It is really easy to make, so I hope you try to make one at home. And if you still have any questions, of course, let me know. But other than that, thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!